Right, okay, so I just want to start this video off by saying that this is not sponsored by any company in any way, shape, or form, and this is just all my personal opinion. So this is the LanZoom Connected Mosel watch. It features genuine leather bands, a sapphire crystal glass, and stainless steel body. It's a fairly premium watch, yet practically no one has heard of it. The company who makes this watch, LanZoom Connected, is very small, and I believe it was founded in 2017. The reason that this watch got my attention at all is because it got featured in a German watch show, and basically, like, it got an attention of some critic of some sort, and he wrote a positive review. Basically, it started to gain a little bit of popularity. So the unboxing itself isn't too complicated. It comes in this nice little box, which is fairly easy to open, and then it comes with this little instruction booklet and the watch itself. This is like basically the only place where you can really tell that this company is very small. As soon as you open the manual, you notice, this is not the right type of watch. It talks about features of the watch and it just different apps, which it's for another model which they make. So in order to actually properly use this watch, you need to download the Mosel app. Open it up, say I've read all conditions, click start, and then what you need to do is press and hold this button for 3 seconds until you start to see the watch hand dials start to rotate, and then bam, Bluetooth pairing request, click pair, and then bam, it's connected. So next up, you just need to sync the watch, but basically you just adjust this dial, which adjusts each of the hands on the watch, and you line it up so it faces 12 o'clock. Press next. Now adjust the minute hand. Mine was already good, so I'll just get it back into that position. Press next. This is for the final one, the little red second dial. Okay, done. Set your information. This is for like tracking steps and activity. Click done. And then now comes the fun part, these things called pushers. So basically these allow you to customize what each of these buttons do. So what I have done is I do date for the middle one. If you click on it, it shows you exactly what it does. Then I set the timer for this one. And then finally music control. So is my setup of this watch. Oh, and one last kind of important thing. If you try to exit out of the app, that is a problem, as the app actually needs to run in the background, so don't like force close it, just exit out by pressing the home button. So there you have it. This is a nice little hybrid smartwatch. In my opinion, it looks good, it's comfortable, like it's light, the leather bands are comfortable, it's a bit thick, but you can't really feel it that much. The only other problem that I might have with this is that for changing the battery, it says that you need to send it to an authorized dealer, but I'm not sure how correct that is, because this is just a regular watch battery, or at least I think it is, and it should, like, we should be able to change it just here at home. I mean, who knows, I still haven't gotten to that point in its lifespan. The batteries are only supposed to be changed every 6 months. So anyways, there has been my little review of this hybrid smartwatch. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and if this helped you or you want to see more of these, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and until next time, goodbye.